Almost finished. We now just need to finish sleeves and hemline. Sew the side seams of front and back pieces together. Press seam allowances open. Cut your bias tape. If you need to, sew together different pieces to create the length. Right sides together. Pin the bias tape to the shoulder seam and around the armhole. Leave around 1.5 centimeters at the end. Sew in the bias tape to the armhole. At the end, fold the bias tape around 0.7 to 1.5 centimeters to the wrong side. Cut into the seam allowance of the armholes every 1.5 centimeters and close to your line of stitching without cutting into the seam. Press the armholes. Turn bias tape to the wrong side and press. Fold the seam allowance of the bias tape to the inside, pin in place. And hand sew with invisible stitches. Finish the hemline identically or top stitch it using your sewing machine.